How did it go in court?
We have just come out of the High Court, and Justice Kwenda sitting together with Justice Chikoero have upheld Job Sikhala's appeal. The net effect of the appeal is that, of the finding is that the judgment of the Magistrates Court convicting Sikhala has been set aside, and the High Court has effectively declared that he is not guilty in respect of a crime of incitement, or in respect of a charge of incitement to commit public violence.
So does this mean he's being released, or what's the next step?
No, let me take that. This is the case of obstruction of the course of justice, wherein it is alleged that he misled police who were following the murderer of Mo Blessing Ali. So the High Court has said he did not obstruct any course of justice. The Magistrates Court was wrong by convicting him. He is an innocent man regarding that particular charge, and he has therefore been found not guilty.
What's the next step now? What will lead to his release?
It's important for the press to understand that on this particular charge, Honorable Sikhala was out on bail, so he remains in custody on account of another matter which is coming before the Magistrates Court on the 11th, the 12th, and the 13th, which is a charge again related to Mo Blessing Ali, but this time it's a charge of obstruction of the course of justice. No wonder why I was confusing myself. There are so many of them. So it's coming from the 11th, like I said, 11th, the 12th, and the 13th in the Magistrates Court. We are continuing with the defense case.
Should he going to reclaim perhaps the bail amount that he had paid, or the fine?
Of course, the $600 has to be refunded. He has to claim it.
And there's another case which is in the struck of the row. What is that case?
I beg your pardon?
The case that has been struck of the row.
Or the review matter was set down together with the appeal, but the review was challenging the validity of the charge upon which he was convicted. So it was now academic to deal with it, because effectively after acquittal there was no need to deal with the nitty-gritties and intricate details attendant to the charge.
Sorry, I forget, because there are so many cases now that Honorable Sikhala is facing. Can you just maybe clarify to us what was this case really about, and where did it happen?
This obstruction case is alleged to have happened in Chitumisa, where it is alleged that Job Sikhala addressed mourners at the homestead of Mo Blessing Ali and indicated in the address that Mo Blessing Ali was murdered by his NPF supporters. So the allegations by the state were that by making those utterances, police stopped pursuing Pius Bukandi Jamba, whom they were pursuing, and followed the routes of NPF guys, which was being alleged by Sikhala according to the charge. But that falls away completely because the court has found him not guilty on that charge.
And what was the primary reason for the judge to say he is innocent?
The first issue is the evidence that was taken in the court of court. Naturally, we are yet to study the judgment, but what happened regarding the interaction between the state and the court on the day of the argument. The first issue is what we always complained about. The charge was defective. It did not support the facts on the ground. The evidence was not supporting Mr. Sikhala obstructing the course of justice.
And what is the outstanding case now, especially that one that is related to Mo Blessing Ali?
The outstanding cases are so many. Some of them are involved, some of them I am not. So regarding all the outstanding cases, because Mr. Babu, my colleague here, is involved in all the cases, I would defer to him. Mr. Babu, sorry.
So the matter in which is alleged to have incited public violence arising from the funeral or the murder of Mo Blessing Ali is the one that's coming back on the 11th to the 13th of December 2023 on the continuous row. Again, on the 11th of December 2023, there is another matter that is coming up for ruling at 11:15, in which is alleged to have published or communicated falsehoods prejudicial to the state on allegations that he had posted on Facebook that the police had beaten a child to death, was trapped on his or her mother's back. The other matter that is coming back on the 15th of December 2023 is the one that is charged together with the mayor of Chitungizo, Love Mo Maiko, in which they are alleged to have incited public violence or engaged in disorderly conduct during the by-elections that were held in May 2022.
So this charge, what sentence did it carry? This charge that was acquitted, what charge did it carry? The charge was
600 fine or 6 months.
Right.